I'm Dr. Nandakishore, Managing Director for Live Life Hospitals. Today marks a special day where Lakshmi Manchu has come in and inaugurated a special laser system that we have acquired recently from Israel. It's a super hair removal system. It is completely painless and highly effective. Along with that, the Live Life Hospitals takes pride in announcing a competition for Children's Day this year, November the 14th, which is a essay writing, cartoons and poster designing, and this will be open to all the schools across Hyderabad, and a good gifts and awards are awaiting most of the children. Live Life Hospitals takes pride in many specialties along with the bariatric surgery, advanced laparoscopy, cosmetic dermatology. We have dental, pain management, cardiology, neurology, orthopedics, and also multiple other specialties such as diabetology, gynecology, infertility specialties.